In this video, I'll guide you through how to create spaces in ClickUp. Spaces are one of the core building blocks in ClickUp, and they're great for organizing your work by department, client, team, or major project area. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can set up a new space quickly and confidently. Let's start from the main ClickUp interface. When you first log in, you'll see a vertical menu on the left side of your screen. This is your left sidebar, and it's where you'll access most of your main navigation options. If your sidebar is collapsed and you only see a few icons, you can hover over it or click the small arrow to expand it so that all labels become visible. Today, I'll show you how to get to the Spaces area from here. Look toward the upper part of that left sidebar for the More icon. Depending on your layout and updates, this might appear as 3 dots or a similar options symbol. Go ahead and click that More icon. This opens an extended menu that reveals additional workspace settings and areas that aren't immediately visible by default. Within this expanded menu, you'll see an option labeled Spaces. This is where all of your existing spaces live, and it's also where you'll go to create new ones. Click on Spaces to open the Spaces Management view. You should now see a list of any spaces that already exist in your workspace, along with options to adjust or explore them. Now, I'm going to walk you through how to add a brand new space from here. In the Spaces view, look for a plus icon. This plus sign is usually located near the top of the section or alongside the list of existing spaces. It may be labeled with text like Add Space, or simply appear as a standalone plus button. Click that plus icon to begin creating your new space. Once you click it, ClickUp will open a creation panel or a setup wizard for your space. While the specific fields can vary slightly depending on the version you're using, the basic idea is always the same. You're defining how this space will be identified and used. You'll typically start by giving your space a clear descriptive name. For example, you might name it Marketing, Product Development, or Client Projects, depending on how you want to organize your work. After naming your space, you may see options to adjust things like color, icon, or privacy settings. This is a good moment to quickly think about who should have access. If you're working with a whole team, you might keep it open to everyone in your workspace. If the space is for a specific group or contains sensitive work, you may choose more restricted settings. These options help keep your ClickUp environment tidy and secure. I'll show you the easiest way to finalize this process. Once you're happy with the name and any basic settings you've chosen, look for the button that confirms or creates the space, often labeled Create Space or something similar. Click that and ClickUp will set everything up for you. You'll now see your new space listed among your other spaces, ready for you to customize further with folders, lists, tasks, and views. That's all it takes. Click the More icon on the left sidebar, select Spaces, hit the plus icon, and create your new space.